Assalamualaikum, dear learners. I am Shelina Khatun, lecturer of English, Passport Degree College. Welcome you all to our English online class. The educational institutions remain closed for a long time because of coronavirus. In this situation, the authority of our college has started online class for the welfare of our students. I am well. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear learners, today I will discuss about Unit 4, Human Relationships, Lesson 1, Etiquette and Manners from your textbook English first paper. Dear learners, here we find etiquette and manners are related with some words in networking system. Here we find etiquette is related to respect, eye contact, civility, courtesy, good form. By respect, we mean that we should show respect with others. Eye contact, by eye contact we mean that when we speak somebody or someone, we must have eye contact to him or her. Civility, we must lead our life in a civilized way. By good form, we mean that we must have good form with others. Courtesy, we should show courtesy with others. Dear learners, here we also find manners are related with some words: attitude, behavior, fashion, politeness, elegance. By attitude, we should show good attitude with others. Behavior, we behave with others in a good way. Elegance, we must have elegance. Politeness, we also have politeness. Fashion, we should follow the fashion in our own culture. Dear learners, now I read the text. You should follow the text. Unit 4, Human Relationships, Lesson 1, Etiquette and Manners. Dear learners, now I read the text. As a child, you must have been told to greet your elders and visitors to your home according to your culture and tradition. You must also have been taught to be polite in company and keep quiet while others, especially your elders, spoke. Possibly, you at times grudged such schooling. Possibly, you at times you even protested such disciplining. Now, certainly, you know that you can't always behave the way you want, especially in the presence of others. There are rules of behavior you have to follow in a company. We are social beings and have to consider the effect of our behavior on others, even if we are at home and dealing with our family members. We have two terms to describe our social behavior: etiquette and manners. Etiquette is a French word and it means the rules of correct behavior in a society. The word manners means the behavior that is considered to be polite in a particular society or culture. Manners can be good or bad. For example, it is a bad manner to speak with food in one's mouth. No one likes a bad-mannered person. Remember that etiquette and manners vary from culture to culture and from society to society. We learn etiquette and manners from our parents, families, and various institutions such as schools, colleges, or professional bodies. There are rules of behavior for all kinds of social occasions, and it is important to learn them and practice them in everyday life. The manners that are correct in a wedding reception will not do in a debating club. Therefore, we have to be careful about etiquette and manners. We know how important it is to say please and thank you in everyday life. A few more polite expressions such as pardon me, excuse me, may I are bound to make your day smooth and pleasant. Dear learners, by reading the text, we know that when elders and visitors come to our house, we must greet them in our own culture and society. We must be polite in company and keep quiet while elders are speak. Possibly, we also some way or others oppose them, but it's not true. We can't always behave the way we want, especially in the presence of others. We have also two terms in our social behavior. One is etiquette and another is manner. Etiquette is a French word and it means the rules of correct behavior in a society. But manners is a correct behavior in a particular society. Here, manners can be good or bad. Etiquette and manners vary from culture to culture and society to society. We also learn etiquette and manners from our families, from our society, from our educational institutions or professional institutions. We also have know about please, thank you, pardon me, excuse me, may I, and the importance of these words, and we also use in different situations where they are needed. Dear learners, here we also find some vocabulary from the text. At first we see that main words greet, word meaning to address with salutation. Synonyms address, felicitate, salute. Main word here is grudge. Its word meaning is unwilling to allow something. The synonym word are envy, animosity, malice. Main word subservience. Word meaning the state of being obedient. Synonyms devoted, duteous. The main words tradition, vocabulary, a long established custom. Its synonyms are convention, heritage. Here we find main words vary. Its word meaning to be different, and the synonyms are differ, change, alter. Main words schooling, word meaning teaching, synonyms study, training. So that's all, dear learners. You all should follow the rules of health and must use mask when you will go outside. Thank you all for listening my class.